Hey guys, welcome to today's video and today we just have I made the ballot and it's insanely long. So I know how you guys may feel like, do I actually have to do these many questions, because it is a lot of questions. I suggest taking in breaks. Don't close the tab, however, do not close the tab if you're going to take a break, because that loses all your progress. It does not save. So keep the tab open, or whatever you're doing, keep it open so that you do not lose your progress. I do not want you to fill this all over again. It's actually much longer than I thought it would be. So wait, let me just. It was much longer than I thought it would be. It's just, you could say, I don't actually know how to say it, but it was so long. My search history right now is insane. The presidential election ballot is out. Vote. Well, not just the presidential election ballot. There's the governors and the senators. So over 100 questions. Please answer all of them. Take breaks if you need to, because the polls will be open for a long time. Maybe the whole week, in fact. Thanks for watching. And make sure to vote. The link will be in the description.